Welcome to Mobile Fanatics here, and I'm your host Limpo Mohale. Ganyamazana Stadium is where I'm at. MFC Clash, the Bees versus Highbury FC. A game as of two which has ended with a scoreline of 2-1 in favor of the Bees, prevailing by those two goals, obtaining maximum points, 3 points. And now I'm with the familiar face that you guys are all used to, Fanatics on the channel, Coach Tulani. Coach Tulani, good afternoon, Coach. Joining us here for this wonderful encounter between Highbury FC and the Bees. A game as of two which has concluded. The Bees prevailing by 2 goals, defeating Highbury by. Good afternoon. Reflection of the game.
Afternoon, Limpo. Yeah, it was a great game for the Bees and important point at home. So yeah, I think they played very well, the technical team. Congratulations to the Bees management and the players.
For my depth analysis, when we look at it, we kind of come into the formation as to how the starting lineup that was displayed by the Bees. Coach Joel Masuta, if I'm not mistaken, second game in charge of the Bees since taking over from the two caretakers of the team. He comes in, it's a back five that was starting, two defensive midfielders. What do you make of that? Tactical book from the manual guide, from the coaching aspect, what do you guys say in terms of to that?
Yeah, I think bekazama ukupreventa ukuthi aconsider of which kulokho akakemi kahle. I do think ukuthi bekafuna just ukupreventa ukuthi angaconcede for the first half, and lento le it was a disadvantage because be allow ama opponent ukuthi akhona ukungena more ko half yabo. So I think that is why second half uthi ngalenye approach he changed the formation a little bit, but also Begana tree to not be vulnerable at the back. So, but I think second half badlale kahle kakhulu because of the changes la wendile. Second half he made 4 changes, of which are attacking players. Then wazama ukuthi aqinise also na central, so that angakhona ukuthi penetrate central. So I think yeah, for the first half, I think just bekazama prevent checking our opponents. But yeah, it was a good game. It was a good game, especially second half, because beseka khona ukuthi beseka ivulile game kahle kahle, because you are 1-0 down, you are at home. So if so conceded already usa defender, so vele kufuna uvula igame uattack ukhona ukuthola igoli, plus kusekhaya you mustn't disappoint my fans yabona. But yeah, great points for the Bees. Siyafuna ukuthi still sibabone kule league. They are still new, basazama ukuthola inyawo tabo, but I think yeah, my point labalekile, especially at home they have to win. We don't have an excuse.
Coach Tulani, let me first take you back to the first half and the starting of the game. It was a back five from that one and two defensive midfielders. But Highbury FC were able to penetrate that defensive starting lineup that was named by Coach Joel Masuta. A lot of box entries were made by Highbury FC. When you look in terms of to them, Highbury FC were able to get a lot of 1v1s on the sides, on the flanks, enabling them to be able to cut inside, delivering square balls into the box and getting that goals. And also the low block that was being displayed by the Bees. They were defending in too deep into the 18-yard area, which led to them conceding that own goal in the first half. What went wrong? And as a coach, how do you rectify that mistake? One, the analysis of it. How do you let that happen? Secondly, from the coaching manual, how do you fix that?
I think it's an issue of the wing backs. If you are saying they were playing with 5 with 2 defensive midfielders, that means 7 players are defending. He attacks with 3. So I think it's a matter of shifting. That's the mistake. Because if the wing back is too wide, and then the opponents back on ukuthola spaces in between the space say wing back and the center back, that's when laba khona ukuthi balethe le cross, and then it hit the pole and then it came back on goal. So I think it's a matter of training. They must engage it training, try to fix it, because mistakes like in the game, I think we can be able to rectify from good training. So it's a matter of shifting, stepping the communication, especially the communication. Most of the players bebanga carry instruction, like it seems like they were not having confidence enough. So I think yeah, coach, it's a good start for the coach. Yeah, good points for the coach, and congratulations to the Bees family.
Now let's move into the second half of the game. Second half of the game, coach makes those key impact players substitute. He brings in Matela. He brings in Mapena. Mapena comes in and occupies the number 10 position. He does not move up front to join Serrero as how normally we used to see them play and pair up during the time frame and of Coach Humphrey Mlwane, who has now departed the club. But he now brings him Coach Joel Mosutu. He plays him as a number 10. Matela goes out on the flank wide where we normally used to see him. The combination, it was absolutely amazing. They were able to now control the game in a manner that they were not able to do so in the first half. And then in the first half, it was a 5 at the back. They moved from that 5, they created 4. Now, from where? From where you're standing from and where you were looking in terms of the game, how did that benefit the Bees in terms of also getting the two goals that gave them the 3 points? And how do you believe that was able to help them grow?
I think Mandela is a special player and with experience. So if shifter and play him as a 10, play him, we are going half spaces of which he can create a lot of scoring opportunities. So yeah, I think that changed from coach, because remember from the starting lineup you were having Dingan Maposa, of which he can't play the whole game. He's old, so I think to bring Mandela in, we are going to occupy half spaces so that I create more scoring opportunities on their half opponents. So yeah, I think it was a good and a tactical sub. So yeah,
Coach Chulane, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for the analysis. All the best.
thanks a lot.